Hello everyone, this is Gary from Brossard, Quebec, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada program sent me this Moen Ignite 5-setting handheld shower. And it's very easy to install. You have where it attaches on the main bracket where it screws on to your downspout. There's a rubber washer in there. You just put it on, hand tighten it, and no Teflon required. The same thing with the hose that goes on here. There's a rubber washer in there, hand tighten it, and the shower head itself, you have a rubber washer with a mesh filter screen you put on, and the shower here, you have these little where the inlet holes. It's you get water deposits built up, you just rub the area, and the little deposits will fall out. And right now I'm going to show you quickly how the settings are. So just bear with me. Okay, here's one setting. There's 2. There's 3. 4. And the final one. So, thanks to you for watching my review, and have a good day.